What is the minimum amount you can put down when purchasing a house? Let's talk about down payments. A down payment is the amount of money that you contribute towards the purchase of your house. Purchase price minus down payment equals mortgage amount. Now, when purchasing a house, you'll be asked to put up a deposit. That deposit amount is part of the down payment. So what is the minimum amount of money you need to secure a mortgage in Ontario? Well, this money comes on a sliding scale based on the purchase price of the property. If you're purchasing a property for $500,000 or less, you're able to put up 5% as the minimum amount. Now, if your property is between $500,000 and $999,999, you're able to put up 5% on the first $500,000 and 10% on every dollar above. Once we hit $1 million, the minimum amount you're allowed to put up is 20%. Remember, if you're purchasing a house for less than 20%, you need to purchase something called mortgage default insurance. The premium of the insurance will be added to the mortgage amount. I'm going to attach a link to another video blog where you can read more about what mortgage default insurance is. In most cases, down payment money needs to come from your own proceeds and cannot be borrowed. There are exceptions with government programs and borrowing money from immediate family members. You're going to need to show the lender where the down payment money comes from. You're going to do this by submitting bank statements for each account the money's withdrawn from for up to 90 days. This way they can see the money was there and how it accumulated over the last 3 months. Now, here are a couple of examples. If you're purchasing a property for $400,000, the minimum amount you're allowed to put up is 5% or $20,000. If you're purchasing a property for $600,000, the minimum you can put up is 5% on the first $500,000, which is $25,000, and then 10% on the additional $100,000, which is another $10,000, making the minimum amount you're able to put up $35,000. The minimum amount you can put up when purchasing over $1 million is $200,000 or 20%. With rates at historical lows, there's never been a better time to talk mortgage. Even if you're just thinking about getting into the market several years down the road, it's still worth having a conversation. Please feel free to reach out to me at any point because I love to talk about mortgages.